Hello, my dear learners. Welcome back to StoryTone English, where stories make your English come alive. This is day 13 of your daily English speaking practice series. If you've been following our journey, you already know Rina, the girl who practices English every day. In the last lesson, she learned how to describe people's appearance and personality. Today, she'll take another step forward, learning how to describe emotions and feelings in English. So take a deep breath, smile, and get ready to feel English, not just speak it. Story: Rina's emotional day. It was a rainy afternoon. Rina sat near her window watching raindrops race down the glass. She had just finished her English club session, and something was bothering her. Earlier that day, her teacher had asked everyone to speak about their most emotional experience. When it was Rina's turn, she hesitated. She wanted to express her feelings, but she didn't know how to describe them in English. Her heart felt heavy. She said softly, "Sometimes I feel sad, but also hopeful. It's hard to explain." The teacher smiled kindly and said, "Emotions are powerful, Rina. Don't fear them. Learn their words, and you'll learn to express your heart." After coming home, Rina opened her English notebook and wrote, "I feel happy when I learn something new. I feel proud when I speak English correctly. I feel nervous when I talk to strangers. I feel sad when I miss my family. I feel grateful for people who help me." For the first time, she realized that learning emotion words helps her speak more naturally, more humanly. Speaking practice. Emotion sentences. Let's practice together. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. I feel happy today. I am excited about my new job. I feel nervous before an exam. I feel relaxed after a long walk. I am proud of my progress. I feel grateful for my friends. I am sad because I miss my hometown. I feel confident when I speak in English. Now, make your own sentences using these emotion words. Try to connect them to your real life. Example: I feel confident when I practice speaking every morning. I feel relaxed when I listen to calm music. This daily habit will help your emotions flow naturally into your English speech. Rina's story continues. The surprise message. That evening, as Rina was about to sleep, her phone buzzed. It was a message from Anika, her new English club friend. It said, "Rina, you spoke very well today. You shared your feelings honestly. That's real English, full of heart." Rina smiled. Her sadness melted into warmth. She whispered, "I feel touched. I feel loved. I feel thankful." She looked outside. The rain had stopped. The night was calm, and the city lights were glowing softly. She thought, "Emotions are not my weakness. They make my English real." Vocabulary practice. Common emotion words. Let's learn some useful emotion words. Positive feelings: happy, excited, calm, confident, proud, thankful, relaxed, joyful, hopeful. Negative feelings: sad, angry, tired, nervous, scared, lonely, bored, disappointed. Now let's make small examples. I feel joyful when I listen to good music. I feel lonely when I have no one to talk to. I feel angry when someone lies. I feel hopeful when I try again after failure. You see, emotion words help your speech sound deep and personal. Evening reflection. Feeling English. Before sleeping, Rina opened her notebook again and wrote one last paragraph. Today, I felt nervous but brave. I spoke my feelings in English. I learned that emotions connect people more than words. I will never be afraid to express them again. As she closed her notebook, she smiled softly. She felt calm, peaceful, and strong. In that quiet moment, she realized English was not just a language, it was her mirror, her voice, her heart. Your daily challenge. Speak your feelings. Now it's your turn. Write down 5 emotions you felt today. Make one sentence for each emotion. Read them out loud twice. Example: I felt excited when I learned something new. I felt tired after work. I felt happy when my friend called me. Practice this every night before sleeping. You'll start thinking and feeling in English without effort. Beautiful work today! You've completed day 13 of your daily English speaking practice series here on StoryTone English. If you enjoyed learning through stories, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us create more beautiful lessons for learners around the world. Tomorrow, in day 14, Rina will learn to talk about dreams and goals in English, an inspiring and motivational session. Until then, keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep feeling every word you speak. You're not just learning English, you're becoming fluent with heart. See you in the next video.